Hello, this is Chinese soy sauce chicken. Just marinate with black pepper, little more powder, dark soy sauce, and light soy sauce together, and marinate with ginger. And then you take out from the marinated water and fry, and then you put back the marinated water, boil until cooked and bit dry. And also use the wait this star anise. One star anise will do to add taste. Also there, and fry. Then when it's dark brown, you can add this water there, and then boil. And then you put lasuna, dahon lasuna there. Just boil. And more water there, and boil until dry. A little bit, dry. Just a little bit sauce left. You cook 45 minutes, maybe boil 45 minutes. There, it's done. Just boil and done. You can side dish with spaghetti or rice. Will do. Bye. Thanks for watching.